Dear ladies and gentlemen, Center of Information Technologies NELIAN is developer and manufacturer of different kinds of hardware, software complexes. We develop and sell bioresonance diagnostic biofeedback machines that is used for bioresonance diagnostic, bioresonance endogenic therapy. This is this kind of machines, DNL machines. We develop software for microscopy, digital microscopy that is used for live blood analysis. And our software is very useful. The third type of equipment is psychophysiological testing machines that looks the same way, but simplified model than this one. So all customers is trained in this special room that is equipped well for quality training process. We have a 40-inch monitor that is comfortably seen from places, and our specialist that is sitting over there is describe in details all process of working with bioresonance diagnostic machine. We have a doctor that makes training. We are very interested in quality training because we expect useful and profitable work from our users of our equipment, from our customers. So as a result, we do the same business and we are interested in your success. So welcome to our training center in Moscow. Thank you for your attention. Bye.